To fix an oven fan that is rotating but not heating up, it is essential to identify the root cause of the problem. The most common reason for this issue is a faulty oven fan element. To check this, start by unscrewing the metal backplate behind the oven and locating the fan element. Inspect the element for any visible bulges or burn marks, and if you notice any, gently remove it by detaching it from its wire connectors. Then, replace the faulty element with a new one and reposition the metal backplate. Alternatively, the problem could be a defective motor, particularly if the fan blades are moving, but not as quickly as they normally do. To replace the motor, remove the oven's back plate to access the motor. Take out the left-hand threaded nuts that secure it, and disconnect the wires. Next, replace the faulty motor with a new one and reassemble the oven. By following these steps, you should be able to fix an oven fan that is moving but not heating up.